first thing you do is you hit start. Go to all programs. Go to Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Excel. This is to the circle graph, the lab that you guys completed on Term 2, which was Tuesday. We're making a graph. We're going to make a bar, a line, and a circle graph. Okay, so first things first, these are cells. Okay, notice that each of them has a little address there. That one's A1. If I go here, that's P2. These are my columns. These are my rows. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to input our data. We're going to put in types of Skittles or candy, depending on what you got on your baggie. So remember, that's our independent variable because that is what we're picking. And what we measure is our dependent variable. So independent, which is your x, goes on A, and dependent, which is your what you measure. Sorry, dependent, what you measure is going to be going on B, or the second column. So this would be amount. Then we put in the different types of candy that we got: red, green, yellow, purple, pink. Okay, then you put in your amount. They had 5, 11, 15, 20. Okay. Now we're going to total this. We're going to do the circle graphs first. So circle graphs are part of a whole. So first thing that we do is we go to insert. We go to formula, auto sum. When you hit auto sum, you notice how it highlights that column. It's summing from B2, which is number 5, to B6, and we're going to enter it. Okay. Then what we do is over here, we're going to put percentage. And we're going to calculate this. We're going to go equals 5, hit the / divided by 57, gives me. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing here. 5 divided, this is equals 11 divided by 57, because that was the total. Enter. And then again equals. We highlight the cell, divide, highlight the cell. Okay. Then we do the same thing here. 20 divided by the total gives me. Okay. Now notice that they're in decimal points. So we want to change that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the format so that you can see things better. We highlight all of the columns. Wait until you see the little crossbars there, and then pull it, and it moves all of the columns the same way. You notice that? So now what we're going to do is we're going to format it a little bit. We're going to hit home. We're going to hit here alignment, and hit the middle, and here on the center. There we go. So then we're going to hit wrap so that everything fits. You see how that type of Skittles got all wrapped up and put into one little box? That's what that means. And then on this one, we're going to highlight it, and we're going to hit the percentage. Okay, so we made all percentages here. The next thing that we do is we're going to highlight the data that we want to graph. So we're going to highlight this. Oh, oops, I forgot one, sorry. Equals 6 divided by 7. Okay, there's my percentage. Okay, now I'm going to highlight what I want. Okay, then I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to hit pi. And you can pick any of these, but I'm going to just make it simple and go with this one. Okay? Now notice it doesn't have a title, but it has things colored, and we don't really know what the percentages everything is. But if you want to see if you got it right here, if it's accurate, look at your purple. Oh, I misspelled that. Oops. Purple. Right. Okay, here, you notice how it made the correction. When I made the correction here, you notice how it made the correction on over here too. So it does that automatically for you. Now here's purple. Look at purple. If you put the cursor on it, it'll show you purple 35%, and it does match, right? Okay, so I'm going to do this one here, 11%, see? Then it does 9%, then it does for blue, 19%, and then pink, and then the yellow, it'll be 26%, so it all matches up. Now we're going to change the colors, because these colors do not go with our Skittles here, so I'm going to change the purple one. The purple one here is supposed to be, okay, that one goes fine. Let's look at the little blue one here, the good matches, the aqua one. So this is supposed to be pink. What we're going to do is we're going to do a right mouse, And you see the little fill here? You're gonna click on it, and you're gonna look for a pink color. You see how it's changing the color? Look for a pink color. Click it, and then let's look at the next one here. Red. That one's supposed to be red. This one is here. So right mouse, hit that little fill button, and look for red. And then this one is supposed to be what color? Let's see. That's supposed to be blue, so we're gonna right mouse, fill it with a blue. Okay. Then the last one, I think this one's supposed to be yellow. Let me see. Double check here. Yellow, okay. Fill it. We're going to put it with yellow. Ugh, that's too bright. Well, let's make it that yellow. Alright, that feels nice. Now, we're going to put a title here and the percentages, so we highlight on it. And we're going to go to layout. See how it says chart tools and highlighted over here? Go to chart tools. And let's highlight it. Oops, sorry, close. Highlight it. Okay, you see how it starts showing all your pies here? Okay, and then it has the chart layout. These are the chart styles, and this is the layout. Like, for example, if I do this, it'll change it, but I don't want it that way. So I'm going to go back to undo this. See that little undo button right up there on the top? Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to hit one of these. Okay, I want the title and percentage. Let's see, that looks okay. That has the key there. That one's not too good. This one has a key on the side like that. But I think I just want the labels on the circle. And then I'll just change this. And put percentage of Skittles in candy bag. Okay? So now we're going to make this a little bit bigger. We can make it bigger. See how I highlighted that? By just clicking on... See that little box? You can stretch it. Make it bigger. Okay? Now at the same time, we also want to make this bigger so that it fits all in there. Take it up a little more. Move it down. You see how I'm highlighting it? When I see that little crossbar, I can move it around. Okay, I want to make the labels a little bit darker and bigger, so I'm going to highlight them. See how they're all highlighted? I'm going to go to Home. And I'm going to hit the font here. And then I'm going to change it. I can change the colors. I can change the background of it. I can make it blue so it stands out a little bit more. So let's try to make it blue like that. See if our labels will feel better. Okay, so now once you do this, you can also change its style again. Okay, if we go back to the chart layout, we can make it I'm sorry, go back to insert. You can change the shape again. You can make the shape like this. We can make it, that looks kind of crowded there, like that. Or you can change it like that. But that's a little bit, to make it three-dimensional. So you can change all of those things once you got them all fixed up. But I'm just going to keep it clean. Okay. Then we're going to put this one on the side. We're going to copy it and paste it on a Word document. Copy. Go to All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word. Paste it. First we do our name, date, and class period. So we're going to put Lulu 1. Now, so that I can put it on the right, I'm just going to hit that little symbol right there. Then I'm going to put the date, 10/0/12, the class period. Okay, I'm going to give it a title. Title in the center. Lab presenting data. Okay, then we enter. And we're going to put paste. And see how it pasted it for me? There we go. Then we're going to do the next one. Oh, by the way, we save it. File. Save as. Put it your last name, lump. Okay. And put Excel graph. Okay. And you save it under your portal. Remember, portal is going to be here on the side. It's going to say your name. That's mine. Click on it. You're going to have a folder that says Sound 7. Double click on that. And you save it there. Save it. Okay, then we're going to come back over here to Excel, and we're going to do a bar graph. To do a bar graph, we highlight what we want. We're in Insert, and we hit Column, and we're going to do just simple bars. You see how it did that? Okay, now if I go over here to Chart Layouts, I can pick what I want. So I want labels, so I'm going to... Okay, I don't need a real legend here, so let's do that one. What we can do is we can get rid of this. Delete. Right now, so I click on it. Let's get rid of the lines. We can see them or delete them. Okay, because they're just a little bit crowded there. Now what we can do is we can make this a little bit smaller. Okay. Yeah, we can drag it once we have our little cross bars there. And we can put labels now. Okay, we're going to put a label here. Type. Hospital. So then we put here amount. And then we're gonna, if we want to add a title, we can add a title. Oh, I don't like that one. Let's do that one. And we can just get rid of it. Clear. Or delete. Okay, then we're going to put a title over here. Title is going to be a percentage of Skittles in candy bag. Okay, you can also change these and make these bigger to go home. Make them bigger, the title, the labels there. And you can change the bars. You can do a right mouse and say format data trees. Fill. You can have a pattern. You can have a picture in it. You can have a gradient. You have solid. In the solid, you can even make different colors. Make it darker or lighter there. If how you want it. You can make shadows of them. That would be 2D. You can make them glow. You do all that after you put in your information. So let's say I just want to keep it this way. Okay, I copy it. Go back to my Word document. Paste it. And put this one on the side. I'm done. Make sure you save this one too, in case you mess up. Save it, remember, put it on your portal, and that way you can access it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line graph. So I'm going to do this, line graph, highlight what I want, go to Insert, go to Line, simple one. Okay, so here's my line graph. Oops, highlight it, show the crossbows are there. Okay, I can make this one a little bit smaller too. I'm going to over here, that way I have labels. I delete that because I don't really need a legend. I want to change its layout. So let's look at the layout. I like this one because it gives me the title. I can just get rid of this piece because I don't really need it there. Then we need to change our titles here. We could type Skittles. Type Skittles. And then we'll go over here. Your options are going to be amount. Oops. And then we put a title. Percentage of Skittles, or amount of Skittles. Oops. Number of Skittles. In candy bag. Oops, we're going to have to change this one too. Sorry. Because this one isn't percentages, this is in numbers. Let's go back to this one right here. Several, there we go. It's going to be number. Of Skittles. And then we're going to have to replace that. Oops, sorry. Copy. Go back over here. Get rid of that. Oops. Control V. So we're going to go back. And in this one, we can change the layout too. We can change the feel of it. If you wanted to have red or more fill colors, let's see. You make your own red colors. Ooh, too dark. So you can do all kinds of stuff in this one. But I'm just going to keep it this way. Then we're going to copy. Come back. Paste it. Control V. And there it is. Now, over here, before we do that presenting data, you also have to put your EQ. And your EQ is how is data presented in science investigation. Okay? And we're going to move that right here. So you're going to give me in one little paragraph telling me which graph is best to use for the lab. I believe the best graph to use is blah, 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 blah. You got to tell me which one of those three is the best one to use for the circle, for the Skittles. You got to give me the reasons why. And then you have to explain what is required, it says, what is required for a graph to be accepted in science. What things do you need? Scales? What do we need? Okay? So make sure you save everything. Put it there. Remember, you put it with your last name and then Excel graph. And then you're going to put it in your Moodle account. You're going to go to Moodle. And remember, when you go to the school website, it changed my school website. Sorry. You go to the that's what's thing. If you haven't saved it, it's the address. You're gonna have to do it the wrong way. Sorry. Go back over here. Put in my name. Put on the star. Hit the Moodle site. Go to your class. Oh wait, sorry about that. That's what I got. I'm gonna log in as a student. So log in. Okay, student. Okay, and then I go to courses. Unit 1. Okay, take a guess. Yeah. So I'm gonna hit add submission. I'm gonna hit add folder. I'm gonna hit browse. I'm going to look for my graph. And it's gonna be I didn't save it. File, save as. Lump last name. Excel. And then save it. Oh, well, I'll save it on Science 7. But if you want to do it, okay. Then I'm going to go back over here and okay, attach it, open, hit upload. I'm going to save it. And if I'm done, I hit edit my submission. Oops, sorry. If I'm done, I just go back over here. Oh, I think on this one you don't have to add submission. It just says edit my submission. I think on this one I didn't put that you had to hit um, add, submit. So on this one you just need to do that, and then I'll grade it. I notice it says submitted for grading. It's not graded yet. So if it's graded, it'll have a little message here. Okay? And that's all you do. And just go back and finish on the assignments you already finished.